Well, now that I've got the doorway cut out, it's time to start doing something with the inside. I need to get in here and just clean it up. I've got all that old decking down from where I had the scaffolding. I've got all these cut off pieces from the roof and just all this other mess. I need to drag all this stuff out of here, haul it over to the burn pile where I can burn it and just get it out of my way. Some of these long single pieces I'll keep. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I may use them for, you know, posts for the steps or something, for the stairs going upstairs. I don't know, but I'll keep them anyway. The ones that are pinned together, I'll drag those off and burn them, and then I'll come back and pick up the rebar later. Before I get too carried away, I need to just go ahead and clean up in here. There's old lumber, junk in here, cut off pieces, the logs that were cut off from the door, and I need just to get this mess out of here, or else I'm gonna have to be crawling around under the floor and doing it. Well, it was raining earlier, so I didn't do just a whole lot of stuff out here. But it stopped for a little bit. Now I'm gonna have to hook onto this trailer, move it, and try to get some of that lumber off of it. It's just got a little bit of stuff left over from the porch. I'm gonna get that off of there, and then head to town and pick up my first bundle of 2x8s for the floor joist for in the house. Probably not gonna get a whole lot done. Get up here and try to get it unloaded. I've been sick for the last few days, so feeling real energetic. Well, I guess you can tell winter finally made it. You see back behind me, everything is frozen over. Didn't get much snow, but we got a lot of ice. You can hear the limbs crackling, but it should be gone in a couple of days, which is good because I'm ready for it to warm up. those of you that follow me on other social media know that I've had the flu for over a week. It's been pretty tough, but I'm getting better, ready to get back to work, start getting caught up now that the holidays are here. So I'm going to get out here and see if I can start putting in some of these floor joists. I'm supposed to have some other stuff delivered today. It's going to be a busy day, but I'm going to try to make the best of it. I've gone ahead and laid out some of the joist hangers. I'm going to go ahead and put those on, start trying to get some of this center part put on. That way I can deck this first, and then that'll give me something to walk in and out on. Well, that's got this centerpiece over to the door. It's got that all my floor joists down. They're all tied in. The rest of my material is supposed to be here tomorrow. Hopefully it comes in. And if it does, then I can go ahead and, before it gets here, I'll start putting the rest of these floor joists down, try to run it all the way through, and then I can start putting my decking down. That'll give me something to walk in and out on anyway. Hopefully the next few days I'll get most of the floor joists on this half done. Got to tear that old temporary scaffolding down. But little by little I'm making progress. I think Jeff from Bobblehead is going to come up here tomorrow and hang out. So that'll be nice. He can come up here and take a look around. He hasn't been up here yet. But that's where we're at. I'm going to keep on working. May get some lights rigged up. I may not. Depends on how I feel. It's getting awful cold, and I have been sick for the last week. But there we have it. As you can see, making slow progress. It's warmed up today. It's pretty nice, but I'm running out of time. Me and my family do Christmas a week ahead of time. That gives, we all get together early so that on Christmas, when everybody else does it, they get to go see all the other families and everybody get to do all the holiday stuff. And it gives all of us time to actually everybody get together. So I'm just about out of time. I'm going to try to get another section or two done today. And tomorrow I'm packing everything up and headed to Texas for a few days. But that's where I'm at. I'm steadily working my way down through there. Other materials should be here in a couple of hours. I'll get it all covered up and it'll be waiting on me when I get back. Well, that's it. I'm out of time for now. You can see, I got some of the floor joists put down. I had Jeff from Bobblehead Homestead and Drew from Dutch Creek Cabin. They came up today and hung out, all afternoon. And we just kind of milled around, showing them what I've got up here. And this is Jeff's first trip up here. if you haven't been to their channel, go check them out. I'll put a link down below. You can go see what they've got going. But that's it. I'm out of time. I'm going to go take a few days and go see some family for the holidays, and I'll be back on Monday. So that's it. I'm done. It's a wrap.